how to hide older posts on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to share how we can hide our older posts in Facebook. Let's get in the tutorial. First, make sure to open the Facebook app and log into your account. Now at the top, you can see your profile. Tap on it. Once you're on your profile, scroll down to the post that you want to hide. Now tap on the three dots that you see on the post. A pop-up will open. There you can see the option to edit privacy. Tap on it. There you'll see a bunch of different options. Tap on only me so that you can only see the post and the post will be hidden from every other person that views your profile. After you select only me, tap save. And that's it. That is how you hide those posts, old posts from your Facebook. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and for more similar tech tips, subscribe to our channel.